Hey guys, this video is for the ProtoArc Backlit wireless ergonomical keyboard. I bought this when I was working from home. It takes a little getting used to with the split keyboard layout, but I do think the ergonomic benefit outweighs the learning curve. I like how quiet the keys are when I type, and the padded wrist support is really nice compared to a lot of the others just have plastic. And the backlit is very nice to toggle on and off. One thing that I find annoying is that if I don't type for like 30 minutes, return to the keyboard and start typing, the first few keystrokes are not sent. It's like waking up from sleep. I usually just hit enter on the keyboard and wait 5 seconds now. But overall, I'd buy the keyboard again. It really functions well.